In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn plain text in a cell into a clickable link, so your sheet is more useful and easy to navigate. Start by opening your Smartsheet and deciding where the link should live. Click once to select the cell where you want the hyperlink. This can be a cell that already has text in it, like the name of a document or a task, or you can simply click into the cell and type the text you want to display before creating the link. Using clear, descriptive text is a good idea because it helps everyone understand what they'll get when they click it. With your cell selected, move your cursor over that cell and right-click. From the menu that appears, choose Add Hyperlink. This opens a small window where you'll add the web address. In the field labeled Link, paste, or type the URL you want to link to. Make sure it's complete, including the beginning part like HTTP or HTTPS. So Smartsheet recognizes it as a valid address. If you're linking to a shared resource, confirm that anyone who needs it has access, so your teammates won't hit a permission wall. Once the link is in place, click Apply or simply press Enter on your keyboard. Smartsheet will immediately update the cell. You'll notice the text changes color, typically to a light blue, and may become underlined. That visual cue tells you the hyperlink has been embedded successfully in that text. If you already had text in the cell, that text is now the clickable link. If you typed new text before adding the link, that text is what people will click. A quick tip for clarity: keep your display text short and meaningful, like project brief or budget sheet, instead of pasting a long URL. It keeps your sheet tidy and makes scanning easier. If you ever paste a link that didn't copy correctly, just repeat the same process to update it. Right-click the cell, add the hyperlink again, and apply. And that's it. That simple workflow is all you need to create a hyperlink in Smartsheet. Select the cell, right-click, add the hyperlink, enter the link, and apply. The color change confirms it worked, and your sheet is now more connected and efficient. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, subscribe for more practical tutorials, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss future tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.